Hey everybody, it's a Mike here, and I am shooting another video here. And this one here I want to do is I want to show you guys how to use a blogging system. In this particular case is the Empower Network blogging system, the Vira blogging system. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take you into my back office and show you how to use the system. So first of all, click the blue login button here. A lot of people, for some reason, when they want to log in, they log in below, but you need to click the blue login button. Enter username and password, log in. Okay, let's give it a minute here, everything's loading. And now I'm into the back office. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the big blue pen, and I can start actually blogging now. So I'm just going to scroll down. There's lots of different options here. The blue pen is probably the only one you really need to use because you have options to be able to control all these other things from there. You can insert your audio, you can insert video, you can insert the pictures, all from this point right here. So just from the pen, that's all you need to do. So I type in a title. In this case here, I want to type in. I actually recently just did an actual video. Bren actually did it on the Google Hangout. So what I want to do here is tutorial. Actually, learn how to use Google Hangout. Okay. So now that it's been done, I have a title. I like to do is I always like to repeat the title here. Kind of some SEO kind of stuff here to help me with the search engines. I don't want to go into detail on all that stuff right now, but I just want to give you guys this is typically what I do. Put it on heading 1. Okay, and now what I like to do is I'm actually going to insert my link. So just hang on just a second here. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I have on a different screen here, I grabbed my link that I need for inserting the actual video. So I'm going to insert the media button here. I've already located where I want to have this video, and I'm just going to just put the link in. You can put the embedded code in here from YouTube, but really you just need to have the link to the actual video, and you'll see automatically it actually shows up. Now the nice thing about this here within the video, you can actually click here, you can actually play the video, and you can make comments.
Hi, it's Bren, and I'm just going to do a tutorial.
You can actually do comments while you're actually listening to the video, pause and start and make comments as you go along here. So I'm just going to make some pretty simple stuff here, and I am going to say enjoy learning how to use Google Hangout. It is easy to use once you use it the first time. It is great for talking to your friends or your team and colleagues. Okay, and then I'm going to put on here I personally love the screen sharing tool. Okay. Next, what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to put my signature in. Okay, so let me just kind of shrink this down a bit so that way you can see it on the screen. Okay, and the trick here is I take an existing article because I don't want to have to do this over and over again. So what I've done is I've created it once, and I've actually now learned a little trick where I can just highlight what I have done, my signature. Okay, and then click, holding it down, drag it across, finding the position I want. You can see where the cursor is. Let go. And now it drops in, links and all. So you can see here, I've actually had an embedded link. It's all retained. Everything is good, so I don't have to retype it. So you can see that once you have your signature done, then you just drop everything in, and it's a piece of cake to set going. So, so that is the actual body of the blog, I'm going to keep it pretty simple today. Next, what I'm going to do is you select that I want to do a public blog so anybody can see it. You can choose if you're within the Empower Network, you can choose any of the people you want to share it with within your team, depending on what level they're at. But for the most part, I just do public blogs, so I like to share with everybody. And then I go into my Empower Network blog. That's usually the one that I like to share with the general public with regards to any tips for tools or in promoting the Empower Network or other affiliate products. Now, what I go into to what section I want to put it under. Let me scroll down here a bit, and I know the section I want is right at the bottom here. Oh, that's not it. I want, let's see here, building an online business. That sounds like a good place to put it. And then what I want to do here is I'm going to choose an overall keyword, which is Google Hangout. That reminds me, just for a little bit of SEO, I'm just going to just italics this right now. A little trick. Okay. For something like that, it probably doesn't make that much of a difference. I just get in the habit of doing it. So for something this short, it doesn't make a whole lot of difference. Probably need about 500 words at least to make it any kind of SEO kind of thing. I'm going to put both of our names in here because we're both in it. Then I'm going to put in here Google. I'm not an SEO expert by any means, as you can tell, but that's probably it for now. Okay, and then learn how to use Google Hangout. So basically, this is kind of a real brief description they're going to see when people, depending on how you're posting it. It's great for talking to your friends or colleagues. Keep it simple because you only have 143 words for this. Oops. It's telling me a spelling mistake. Those colleges, that's not what I want. And I betcha. Okay. That's telling me I didn't spell colleagues right here. So what I'm going to do here is just bear with me just a second here. I'm not the best speller in the world, as you can tell. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to Google how to spell colleagues. Okay, so what I'm going to do is let's call this up, and let's just quickly just do it. Nope, colleagues. There we go. That's what I want. So EAGUES. Okay, perfect. Sorry about that. Like I said, I wasn't the best speller in the world, so I hope you can bear with me here. A lot of times what I'll do, actually, the body of the text, I personally prefer to put in word first and then over here, just so I can get the spelling absolutely right, and it covers the grammar and so on. And then that is basically it. I just now at this point hit publish. And there it is. Everything is ready to go. It shows it in my feed. I'm going to do is I'm going to take you quickly to the actual blog. And you can see here, there it is, right there. This is how the world's going to see it. All ready to go as it's loading here. My machine's a little slow right now, but that is basically it. We've created the blog. Oh, it looks like I have a little bit of a space here. Sometimes it does that on me. So let me just quickly edit it here. That's another trick. If you hover it over here, you can edit. Come back and edit. I like to make sure everything looks pretty good. So I don't like to spend a whole lot of time on personalizing things here and making things perfect. But stuff like that, a little detail like that, it's a quick fix. Will bother me until I fix it. So let's go back and reload it. And there we go, a little less space there. I like the layout of that a little better. So there we go. That's it for today. That's the tip for today. So I hope you enjoyed it. And stay tuned for future tips. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.